Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi repeater with your Xbox. If you're experiencing frustrating lag, dropped connections, or slow download speeds on your Xbox, a weak Wi-Fi signal is often the culprit. A Wi-Fi repeater, also known as an extender, can significantly boost your wireless coverage, bringing a strong, stable signal directly to your gaming console. This simple device can transform your gaming experience, ensuring smoother online play and faster updates. Choosing the right repeater is crucial for optimal performance. Look for a dual-band model, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies to ensure compatibility and speed. An Ethernet port is also highly recommended, allowing for a direct, wired connection to your Xbox for the best possible stability. Place the repeater roughly halfway between your main router and your Xbox for maximum effectiveness, ensuring it receives a decent signal itself. Setting up your new Wi-Fi repeater is usually a straightforward process. First, plug it into a power outlet and wait for it to boot up. Then, connect your phone or computer to the repeater's temporary Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and navigate to the repeater's setup page, typically found at an IP address like 192.168.0.1. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your existing home Wi-Fi network and create an extended network name. Once your repeater is configured, it's time to connect your Xbox. You can either connect wirelessly to the new extended network or, for the best performance, use an Ethernet cable to connect your Xbox directly to the repeater's LAN port. Test your connection speed and stability through your Xbox's network settings. For optimal results, ensure your repeater's firmware is up to date and try to minimize physical obstructions between the repeater and your console. Enjoy a much smoother gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.